Hello, London explorers. Today we are going to Muswell Hill. Very fancy, charming. It's a beautiful sunny day. There are plenty beautiful houses around me, but look at this. I already know we are in some very artsy neighborhood. Right, so I can tell already that it's a mixture of English charm, rundown buildings, beautiful architecture, and loud, annoying people. Yeah, go. Oh gosh, nothing more annoying than those kind of idiots. Do you want to see something absolutely stunning? Look at this. Look at the gate and the detail. Wonderful. So much beauty here that no one really cares. I don't know why. And to me, it's painful to see this. Why? Why? We allowed to all of this to be in that state. Like, why? Like, how stunning is this shop window? And why? This is the problem I have with modern Britain. There's so much history, so much beauty, so much aesthetic left alone, forgotten. And no one seems to be bothered. And when I pointed out like it shouldn't be like that, I got abused. Like, oh my god, what he's talking about? I'm talking about that it's painful to see the decline. No one built. Oh, I thought it was a church, and this is a steakhouse, guys. Wow. I mean, fantastic. Oh, whoa. That was cool. My kind of church. Look how beautifully this street was designed. Blind date books, £9.
TV on and just turns his head to watch them.
Right, so this restaurant is stunning. Do you know how I feel about Muswell Hill? Is it beautiful? It used to be. The architecture, absolutely stunning. The view from here, incredible. My problem is, as usual, it used to be. I just cannot understand the decline and the lack of care everywhere where you look. The view from here, I mean, wow.
I don't make any appointments. 10:30 I start doing this task.
And I need to get a new cabin.
Okay, so this is probably the most beautiful little spot in the whole Muswell Hill. Absolutely beautiful. Sullivan interiors. That looks pretty cool. Quite charming, beautiful shops. Lovely to see. They're very unusual. Usually they are black, so I'm not sure if they're like typical for North London. I haven't seen bins like that in West London. Okay guys, that's it for today from Muswell Hill. What's my verdict? Typical. Beautiful architecture, a lot of history, a lot of potential. But most of the buildings are run down. No one really cares. A lot of decline. So yeah, typical England 2026. Sad, but charming and beautiful. Right? I mean, look at this.